Moving cryptocurrency between platforms is an essential part of navigating the crypto world. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer, understanding the tools and security measures is crucial. It's important to do this securely. Security in the crypto space is paramount because, unlike traditional banking, there are no safety nets if something goes wrong. This guide will walk you through transferring funds from OKX to Binance using your seed phrase. The process might seem complex, but with the right steps, it becomes straightforward. A seed phrase is a list of words that represent your crypto wallet. Typically, it consists of 12 to 24 words randomly generated when you create your wallet. It's like a master key that can access your funds. Think of it as the ultimate password that unlocks your digital vault. If you lose access to your wallet, your seed phrase can recover it. This means that even if your device is lost or damaged, you can still regain access to your funds. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. Sharing it is like giving someone the keys to your house and all your valuables. If someone has your seed phrase, they can steal your cryptocurrency. This is why it's crucial to keep it confidential and secure. Keep it safe and offline. Storing it digitally can expose it to hackers, so it's best to write it down and keep it in a secure place, like a safe or a locked drawer. Some people even go the extra mile by storing their seed phrase in a fireproof safe to protect it from physical damage. Additionally, using hardware wallets can add an extra layer of security, as they store your seed phrase offline and away from potential online threats. Understanding and properly managing your seed phrase is a fundamental aspect of cryptocurrency security. It ensures that you have control over your assets and can recover them if needed. By taking these precautions, you can navigate the crypto world with confidence, knowing that your assets are secure. To transfer funds from OKX, you might need to restore your wallet using your seed phrase. First, go to the OKX website, look for the Wallet or Funds section, then choose the option to import or restore a wallet. OKX will ask for your seed phrase. Enter it carefully in the correct order to access your wallet. Before transferring, you need a Binance deposit address. This is like your account number on Binance. Log into your Binance account. Go to your wallet and find the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Click on Deposit and select the same cryptocurrency as the one you're sending from OKX. Binance will show you a deposit address. Copy this address. Go back to your OKX account. Make sure you are logged in securely. It's always a good idea to double-check that you are on the official website to avoid any phishing scams. Next, head over to the Withdrawal section. This is where you will initiate the transfer of your cryptocurrency. Take your time to navigate through the options. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. OKX supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, so make sure you select the correct one. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. This step is crucial, as any mistake in the address could lead to a loss of funds. Enter the amount you want to send. Be mindful of the minimum and maximum limits for transfers, and ensure you have enough balance in your account. Now double-check all the details. This includes the cryptocurrency type, the amount, and the recipient address. Seriously, make sure the address and amount are correct. Even a small error can result in irreversible loss. A mistake could result in losing your cryptocurrency. Always take a moment to review everything carefully. Once you're sure everything is correct, confirm the transaction. You may be asked to enter a two-factor authentication code to complete the process. This adds an extra layer of security to your transaction. After confirming, you should see a confirmation message on your screen. Keep an eye on your email for any notifications regarding the transaction status. Check your email for a confirmation message from OKX. This will provide you with the details of your transaction and any further steps if needed. Congratulations, you've successfully completed the transfer. Always keep a record of your transactions for future reference. After confirming, wait for the transaction to be processed. This is a crucial step in ensuring that your funds are safely transferred to your Binance wallet. During this time, it's important to remain patient and avoid making any additional transactions that could interfere with the process. This may take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the cryptocurrency and network traffic. High network traffic can cause delays, so it's always good to check the current status of the network. You can usually find this information on the cryptocurrency's official website or through various blockchain explorers. Once the transfer is complete, you will see the funds in your Binance wallet. Make sure to verify the amount and the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. If there are any discrepancies, contact Binance support immediately. Always use strong and unique passwords for your crypto accounts. A strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Using a password manager can help you generate and store complex passwords securely. Consider using two-factor authentication or 2FA for added security. 2FA adds an extra layer of protection by requiring not just your password but also a code sent to your phone or generated by an app. This makes it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Be cautious of phishing scams. Phishing scams often come in the form of emails or messages that appear to be from legitimate sources, but are actually attempts to steal your information. Always verify the sender's email address and never click on suspicious links. Always double-check the website address and communications from exchanges. Look for the padlock icon in the address bar to ensure the site is secure. If something seems off, it's better to be safe and avoid entering any personal information.